Hi there. This is John from AdSpyglass. Today, we're gonna talk about website monetization. We all know that running a solid website is complex stuff. You need to maintain the proper functioning of your resource and put a lot of effort into generating content. In other words, we need to fight for traffic and do everything in our power to make people visit our website and let them stay happy. But let's be honest, the end goal of running any website is making some money. That's why, in addition to resource administration, you need to think about monetizing your traffic as well. And monetization is also a challenging process. There are tons of different ways how to monetize your website efficiently. Some people use affiliate networks. Others choose ad networks as a demand partner. The most advanced ones use mediation systems to benefit from different networks at the same time. But you need to know that there is another option. Let's talk about direct cooperation with advertisers. That means you can work with advertisers and sell them your traffic directly, without any intermediaries, networks fees, and commissions. But how? That's the real question. Direct dealing sounds extremely attractive, but there are dozens of things that need to be resolved to start. First of all, you should be capable of selling your traffic to a direct advertiser from a technical standpoint. It includes targeting by country, device, browser, etc. Then, you need to think about statistics and reporting. Any advertiser would like to have information that helps him understand whether the campaign is effective or not. And that is your responsibility. Also, don't forget about accounting and payments. You should be able to calculate the price of your traffic transparently. And, which is also important, make sure that you can accept your money via the payment systems that the advertiser uses. And the most crucial point, you need to promote yourself to show advertisers that you can sell your website traffic to them. Direct dealing just became less attractive and much more difficult, isn't it? But don't worry, there is a great solution. Say hi to Media Kit Maker. As you know, a media kit is a section of a website that highlights the main points of advertising capabilities of your resource. In other words, this section is a comprehensive answer for all questions usually asked by direct advertisers. So, having a media kit is a must for everyone who'd like to benefit from direct traffic selling. And there's a perfect way to establish your own media kit page within a few minutes without a single string of code and at no charge, using AdSpyglass Media Kit Maker. The platform will help you to create well-structured and beautiful media kits. The data shown on these pages will be updated dynamically. And they can be implemented into any website without any technical experience. Using AdSpyglass, you will not only create a media kit for your website but also get into your hands all the needed tools to sell your traffic effectively. There is no need to worry about the technical complexities. The tool is a ready-to-use solution that doesn't require any specialized experience. The pre-built media kit template is optimized for all devices and developed following modern UX/UI practices. And it looks amazing. You'll have complete control of your traffic and detailed stats about your website's performance under your fingertips. You'll also be able to slice your traffic to sell specific targetings to your advertisers. Country, device, browser, carrier, everything is possible to target, and now it's easier than ever. Forget about working on reports, statistics, and billing stuff, required by almost all serious advertisers. Now you don't need to think about payment systems. AdSpyglass Media Kit Maker takes care of all of these things for you. And, as icing on the cake, there are no fees, commissions, or whatsoever. The platform won't take even a penny to let you get maximum profit from direct cooperation. You'll always get a 100% of the ad spends from the advertisers that used your media kit sign-up link. That sounds like a solid reason to start selling your traffic directly, right? But how should you act in case you also earning from ad networks? Should you entirely switch to direct dealing and risk? Or is it better to stick around ad networks and preserve your income stability as the main priority? both options are wrong. AdSpyglass Media Kit will provide you with everything you need for direct partnership with advertisers, and will help you to sell the rest of your traffic to different ad networks at the highest rates. So, you will not only start working with advertisers directly, you will also optimize the way you're working with ad networks. AdSpyglass Media Kit significantly increases the efficiency of all aspects of running a website. Create your first media kit for free today, and start getting more with AdSpyglass.